We are back at 3v3 West, 3v3 on 3. We're at Fieldhouse, Rosemont. 3v3, 3-on-3. Our first game is going to be Light and Indigo Blue versus Boys for Life Gang Dry, and they're in the black. And yeah, first game starts at 4:10. We're sitting at 4:05 p.m. Man, listen, we're gonna have some fun today. Be back reffing here at the Fieldhouse in Rosemont, man. So listen, we're about to have some fun. Let's get it, man. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I think so. I think you guys can hear me. Let's get it, man. About to start in about 5 minutes here. We got 4 minutes on the court. It looks like we got a time on the clock here. All right, y'all, look, we about to lock in here, man. You guys make sure you subscribe to the channel, Basketball Media 12, YouTube, man, let's go. Be sure to check us out on Instagram, Basketball Media 12. Yeah, we locked in. Looks like we got 4 black. Y'all know what it is, man. Listen, about to lock in today. Good news, man. Good news for me, man. Might be heading a new head coach job. It's still in process. We're trying to get the paperwork signed off. So you know what I'm saying? We got 3 minutes until game time. So hopefully, man, like, you know what I'm saying, I got things coming from me, man. So we're trying to make sure we do things right and then be patient. I don't know if they got jerseys.
The blue team?
Yeah.
They can always get pennies too if they don't have them.
I'm gonna have to, yeah. Hey, you guys are blue? You guys indigo blue? Light and blue?
I don't know, we don't got a jersey. Yeah, we're light blue, I saw.
Like, you guys light blue? Okay, where your shirts at?
We have to wait for our other player.
To get our shirts.
Okay. Okay. How many of you guys got? 1, 2, 3, and then like 4? Like a 4? Okay, bet. Oh, there we go, right here, guys. Grab a shirt, look. Sign the waivers, man. It should be all digital, like it's like Chuck E. Cheese. Let me sign everything off so when you get in. Yeah. I printed mine off like, all right, well, we should do digital. When we sign up, it should be like, I did it already. All right, they got shirts. Cool. All right, we about to start in about 2 minutes. Got 3 to start. 3 to start. All right, remember, you don't have to shoot threes. Your elbows, you know what I'm saying? Pull up there. That's it. Don't waste your energy doing that. Huh? Okay. Bring it in, fellas. All right. You guys know the rules? Is this your first time or? Is this your guys' first time doing it? Did you do it? You do it last? First day? All right. Okay. All right. What's your other player? Where do you go? This guy. Oh, I see. He probably didn't want the extra shirt. All right, guys. Listen. This is how we do it. Hey, fair game, good sportsmanship. If I see anybody getting like kind of frustrated, I'll call like a 10-second timeout and you just kind of go to your sides. Remember here is the check button. This is like the recheck. So if you shoot and he rebounds, he can put it back up. Same thing, I let him know already. If you shoot and he hits it, he has to take it behind this line, okay? All right, paper, rock, scissors. Who's the captain? I got a captain here. All right, paper, rock, scissors. Get to choose ball in. Start.
Ball.
You got ball? You want that ball?
Yeah, this ball.
All right, bet. All right, match up, guys. We got 30 seconds. Nah. Oh, yeah, if you want to.
Yeah.
Actually, let me see if it's good or not. Let me see yours. You sure, bro? This is an outdoor ball. This is an indoor. Outdoor ball. All right, 15 seconds, match up, and then wait till we get the clock once you hear whistle, okay? All right, gentlemen, let's have some fun. All right, here, looks like Blue Hat knows what they're doing. Got going up on the arms. Line up, boys. One shot. There you go, Bill. Yep. There you go. Yes, sir. Oh, good shit, boy. Blue ball up top. Black. Check it up. Check it up. Behind line, remember? Behind line. Behind blue line. Good shot, good shot. You good? Sub left. Match up, Black, match up. Green. Black ball up top, off on blue. Travel. Up top. Keep your pivot. Keep your pivot. Blue up top. Black up top. Sub black. Tie game. 4-4. You know, good game. 4-4 interception here by Black. See what Black gonna do here. Play. Good rebound. Good rebound. Blue up top. Blue 7. 4 Black. Six blue, 7 black. 7 black, 6 blue. Sub black. 8 blue, 7 black. Blue ball up top. Gotta take it back. It was locked in. Go roll. Nine black, 8 blue. On the floor, blue up top. Sub black, sub black. Nine black, 8 blue. I usually try to call out the call when it hits like 5. They've been scoring, so that's good. Hurry around. Shot. 11 black, 8 blue. Take this to the hole. Black up top. Your ball. Blue up top. 11 black, 8 blue. Push, I'm black. Blue up top. Sub black, sub black. Shot. All right, 10 blue, 11 black. Three. 13 blue, 11 black. Shot. Tie game, 13-13. Step out of bounds. Blue up top. Foot. Sub black, sub black, sub black. Tie game, 13-13. Got one going up on the arm. One shot, ball. Line up, boys. Blue in the middle, black. Perfect. All right. Black up top, black up top. 14 blue, 13 black. Hey, good take, Roy, good take. Woo. Taking away your teammates. Space out. Nope, he good. He good. He didn't. His teammate shot it. $16 blue, 13 black. Lock in, boys. 4 minutes. Good take, boy. Get up, good take. Good hustle. Oh, we gotta layer it up. Layer it up. Black up top, majority. Sub black. Three. Right around. Ball up top, black up top, let's go. Blue up top, last touch by black. It was a good game. Oh, good. Shot. Line up. One over there. No stolen. Blue up top, last touch by black. It's a good game, man. Good game. It gets tense when you get close game. Black. Sub black. 50 seconds. Need threes, black. Need threes. Good passing, boys. 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. Shot. Break it in. Good game. That's your ball, game ball. All right, we got blue with 25, black with 15. Dab it up. GG's, boys. We're good. You guys up next? I know you, bro. All right, that's the first game out the way. We got a score of 25, blue, and then black with 15. Entertaining. Down to the wire. Yeah, down to the wire.